Welcome to my channel. Thank you for your time. So,
Hello
yeah,
Priyanka,
please,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you and how you are doing?
I'm doing fine. I'm doing fine. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me. I suppose this is your first podcast,
Yeah,
and so is mine. So I'm excited about it. Yeah.
I'm also excited that and I'm glad that you accepted our request and you joined it. I have collected few of questions to ask you, and we'll ask you few of questions
Okay. Sure.
regarding PhD interview, and life at IIT Roorkee, and we will know more about you as well. So
Hmm.
we are starting from you. Introduce yourself.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. So I'm Arsalan Hussain, and I'm currently pursuing my PhD at IIT Roorkee. So where I work in the field of microbiology and infectious disease. So I'll mainly talk about my research. Like my research basically mainly focuses on understanding antibiotic resistant bacteria and how certain metabolic conditions like obesity and other metabolic imbalances can cause or influence the infection outcome. So most of the time in my lab that I spend is like designing experiments, analyzing data, troubleshooting. Like
Yeah.
I think that you also are accustomed to doing all this, and
Yes.
like trying to understand like the bigger scientific picture behind all the results that I get. So
Yes.
that's what I'm currently doing right now
Mm.
at IIT Roorkee.
Research is more like passion. Yeah, like you should have that passion inside. Like we are reading this paper,
Yeah,
experiment plan.
patience
Huh.
is yeah,
Yeah.
patience is the number one thing. Like yeah, that is something that is like should be incorporated from the very beginning of your research career, I must say.
Yeah. So you are in fourth year. So how was your journey? How from all it
Yes.
started? Please tell us about your life.
So so like I completed my masters in life sciences
Hmm.
from Presidency University in
Nice.
Calcutta,
Nice.
and I joined my PhD in August 2022 in molecular bacteriology and chemical genetics lab in IIT Roorkee. And from then on, like I continued my research. Like I started off with working on antibiotic persistence, worked on whole cell vaccines, and now I am working on immunomodulatory agents in understanding how antibiotics work and how the immune system and antibiotics work together in uh, infection outcome and things like that. Mostly from an infectious biology point of view.
That's nice. Hmm. It काफी interesting है. Plan about this. सो अरसलान, पहला क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ये है कि वाई आईआईटी रुड़की ओनली? इतनी सारी आईआईटीज है, तो आपका क्या पैशन था कि आपने पहले से डिसाइड किया था कि नहीं, मेरे को यही इंस्टीट्यूट चाहिए?
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं था। मतलब स्पेसिफिकली आईआईटी रुड़की में ही आना है। लाइक आई अप्लाइड टू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑल ओवर इंडिया, and but IIT Roorkee specifically has like strong research culture, and I got the lab that I wanted, so
हम्म.
that's why I chose IIT Roorkee. Like ऐसे तो यहाँ का environment जो है काफी challenging है, and
हम्म.
academically it helps you a lot. So apart from, and also given the fact that it is one of the top 10
या. या.
institutes in India, and QS वर्ल्ड रैंकिंग में भी काफी अच्छा रैंक है मतलब, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई चोज। लाइक स्पेसिफिकली तो था नहीं, बट या।
पीएचडी के लिए क्या मैटर करता है? तो इंस्टीट्यूट का टैग मैटर करता है, इंस्टीट्यूट की फैसिलिटीज मैटर करती, पीआई मैटर करता है, कि आपका एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट मैटर करता है? आप इसको किस वे में बताना
पीएचडी
चाहेंगे?
के लिए ऑब्वियसली इंस्टीट्यूट का टैग माइट नॉट मैटर एज मच, बट या क्यूमुलेटिव अगर देखा जाए तो the kind of research problem you're working on, the kind of fundings that are there in your lab,
Hmm.
your PI, the number of times you're having interaction with your PIs.
Hmm.
So all these cumulative factors together make up and is important. Like
Yes.
not the tag, like you can do your PhD from a university, any other as such. You need to have the aptitude
Hmm.
to do a PhD. Tag
Yes.
comes
Yes. Yes.
later on. Like
Hmm. Yeah.
so, yeah.
I have the same opinion on this.
Hmm.
Have you ever faced any time ki PhD is tough or you should switch to a job or what after PhD? What are your long-term goals?
Like when I was doing my masters, I did not consider doing a job. I always had in mind that I wanted to do a PhD, and yeah, a stable job is always appealing. But I felt that if I didn't at least attempt research at this level, I might regret not exploring the potential.
Hmm.
So I chose getting into research. Like there are uncertainty, but yeah, I like doing what
Yes.
I do.
Yeah. That's matter also. I think in our field
Yeah,
like
true,
people might say कि बहुत कम पैसे मिल रहे हैं रिसर्च कर रहे हो पीएचडी लंबा खींच जाता है एंड दिस एंड दैट बट यू शुड नॉट हियर ऑल दिस बैकग्राउंड नॉइस आपको जो करना है आपका पैशन करता है
true,
जा
true.
रहा है तो करो सो दैट व्हाट आई
Absolutely. If
या
you're passionate about it, then go for it.
हम्म
Absolutely. Like money, like if you talk about the stipend that we get, yeah, it is less, but
यस
in the long run, like after you are done with your PhD, if you get a postdoc abroad or a good job as a scientist position, like there are a lot of openings in government sectors as well.
हम्म
Scientists A, D, C, B, F, a lot of
हम्म
scientist positions and postdoc positions are there, and they are very high paying. So yeah,
या
once you're done, you have a lot of avenues to explore.
या
Yeah.
सो ट्रू आई एग्री
Hmm.
So we will ask you question regarding how is the campus life and do you face anything like work-life balance at IIT Roorkee or only work, staying in lab and just doing research?
Like honestly, IT Roorkee has a very nice campus.
Hmm.
You have been to our
Yeah,
campus, like you have
yeah,
seen what it's like,
yeah,
and it is very vibrant. The people are very nice, and when we talk about work-life balance in our field, I mean, you need to work a lot,
yeah.
and then later on, you need to find the balance. So yeah, I mean, work-life balance is all up to you. Like you cannot comment looking at someone else that this person has a very good work-life balance and the other person does not. It's all totally up to you.
Hmm. सबकी अलग-अलग
Like
जर्नी
how do
होती
you
है या
manage your work and your
हम्म
life.
हम्म सारे रिसर्चर भी
Yeah,
एक जैसे नहीं
absolutely.
होते ना तो वेराइटी होती कोई पैशन के लिए करता है तो कोई सिर्फ
True.
स्टाइपन के लिए या डिग्री के लिए नाम के लिए करता है तो फर्क रहता है दिखता है फिर
uh,
या
Absolutely. उस केस में तब डिपेंड करता है कि तुम्हारा वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस तुम कैसे मेंटेन कर रहे हो.
हम्म सो ट्रू सो हैव यू नोटिस्ड और हैव यू फील लाइक दैट कि आप
Apart
जो
from that,
फर्स्ट
hmm,
ईयर में थे और अभी आप फोर्थ ईयर में हो तो आपका पर्सनल लेवल पे कैसे आपको पीएचडी ने हेल्प किया है टू बिल्ड यू एज अ पर्सन आपका परसेप्शन आपका थिंकिंग एवरीथिंग ओवरऑल
firstly जब मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में था, आई वाज वेरी इम्पेशेंट फर्स्ट. सो ऑल थ्रू आउट दीज 3.5 4 years, वो एक चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा इनकॉर्पोरेट हुआ है कि आई हैव बिकम मच मोर पेशेंट विथ नॉट ओनली माई वर्क बट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन लाइफ. सो PhD एक चीज़ तो सिखाती है, मतलब पेशेंस. पेशेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ़ यू डू नॉट हैव पेशेंस देन it will be a very tough journey for you. So that's one thing that has that PhD has given to me or has taught me so far. Apart from that, as a person, I would say that I have learned to interact more with people, like-minded people. For example, like I'm interacting with you right now. So similar things, like you need to discuss about the science that you're doing with your peers, go to conferences, give good presentations, and discuss about whatever you are doing, and garnering interests about what you do in others. So
Hmm.
that is something that I have also learned and have incorporated in me in the recent years.
सो इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन, लाइक आपका ग्रोथ तो होगा ही होगा, लेकिन बहुत कुछ सिखा के जाता है पीएचडी। बहुत पर्सनल
हाँ,
लेवल पे भी देखो,
पर्सनल लेवल
एजुकेशन
पे
पे।
तो ग्रोथ तो ऑब्वियसली देयर इज।
यस।
जी, या एब्सोल्युटली।
सो व्हाट यू वांट टू कमेंट एनीथिंग, लाइक कि पीएचडी इंडिया में कैसा है और अब्रॉड में कैसा है? क्या आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी अब्रॉड में मिलती तो आप जाते हैं?
वेल, अगर देखा जाए तो अगेन इट comes down to the type of project that you're doing. So
हम्म।
again, and from there it comes down to the interest.
हम्म।
So अगर मुझे मेरे चॉइस का प्रोजेक्ट मिलता abroad, then obviously I would have gone.
हम्म।
But then again, it depends on your choices. Like if you want to do a research in say immunology or cell biology or maybe plant biology, so it depends on your choice.
या।
So that's one thing that's
सो
important. Like if you say that going abroad and doing a PhD abroad is very is like a bed of roses, then it's not. I
या।
suggest I think like there are a lot of people that I know who are doing their PhD abroad.
हम्म।
Like it's the same wherever everywhere you go.
हम्म।
मतलब तुम्हें काम करना पड़ेगा, स्पेशली इन आवर फील्ड बायोसाइंसेज में
हम्म।
तुम्हें काम करना पड़ेगा। बट इंडिया में देर इज एन एडेड प्रेशर बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अब्रॉड देखा जाए तो द फंडिंग्स आर मोर
हम्म।
लाइक कंपेरेटिव as compared to in India. But there are obviously labs in India that have a lot of funding, very good facilities. But again, it's very, very perspective wise, like depending upon whatever you get. So it also depends on your choices and sometimes your luck as well, like where you end up.
हम्म। पीएचडी में पीआई का बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है, तो आपकी जर्नी आपके पीआई के साथ कैसी रही? आपका इक्वेशन कैसा रहा? आपका मतलब वर्क प्रोग्रेस ट्रैकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग।
Like हाँ, मेरे पीआई के साथ obviously I have had a very like good good bonding, and we discuss our work regularly, and we have formal meetings plus informal discussions whenever needed, and there is continuous communication to refine our ideas and avoid drifting off track. So yeah,
हम्म। no, दैट्स नाइस।
पीआई के
लेकिन
साथ तो
कभी कभी पीआई
there is
अगर पर्सनल इंटरफियरेंस भी कर देते लाइफ में, तो इस पे आपका क्या कहना है?
वो तो खैर अब डिपेंड करता है हाउ प्रोफेशनल यू आर। लाइक नॉट अपीआई तो आई डोंट थिंक जबरदस्ती खुद के मन से दे विल indulge in whatever you're doing in
हम्म।
person. But what they need is productivity. अगर तुम productive हो तो I don't think it
यस।
anything else matters.
यस। हम्म।
You just
सब
need
सारे
to be
पीआई को
productive.
काम चाहिए, बस आप काम करके दोगे तो दे आर हैप्पी, फिर आप कैसे भी करके काम करो।
Yes,
या।
and obviously अगर तुम आए हो,
हाँ।
yeah, like people think that तुम आए हो PhD करने, तो you need to be productive. You need to
हम्म।
do your work and you need to convey. If you are lagging behind somewhere, then you need to communicate कि हाँ भाई मेरा ये experiment नहीं चल रहा है, मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. And you need to discuss with your seniors, with your peers, कि कैसे trouble shoot किया जा सकता है. Like communication is the key, I'd say.
फ्रेंड्स को जो पीएचडी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, उन लोगों को आप क्या एडवाइस दोगे? एनी मैसेज, एनीथिंग?
I would suggest that choose your project wisely. Like choose something that you are really, really passionate about, something that you actually want to do. Like PhD is a very long journey, and if you are not passionate about something, then you you don't have to do it. Like, it's all about passion. If you are just doing it for a monthly stipend or a degree, then you will not, you might get
Hmm.
your degree, you might get the money, but you won't get the satisfaction out of it if you're not
Hmm.
passionate. So I'd say if you're passionate, tabhi you go forward and do it. Otherwise, it's not a waste of time, but again, 5 years, if
Yeah.
you don't do anything at this age, at in our 20s, if we are not doing something that we are passionate about, then what's the point? That's
Yeah.
why there
Hmm.
is such.
What are the things a student might should keep in their mind while choosing the PhD or PI?
While choosing a supervisor or a PhD program, you need to, the most important thing, see, सबसे important thing है the publication.
Hmm.
If your lab that you are choosing publishes good number of papers in a good impact in a high impact journals, then I'd say that that lab is good to go.
Hmm.
Because obviously end of the day हमें publication
पेपर
चाहिए
चाहिए.
डिग्री के लिए. तो
Hmm.
that is the number one thing, that is the number one thing you should keep in mind, or you should look for while choosing your supervisor or while choosing the project. और इससे इससे पहले जो है वो पैशन, पैशन जो तुम्हें पसंद है, तो वो
Hmm.
तो इसके बारे में तो मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया अभी.
Yeah.
So that is, practically speaking, that is the first thing.
Hmm.
Second is you need to talk to people that are already working in the lab, or those who have passed out from their lab, to understand about the lab culture, about the dynamics between the student and the mentor. So it makes a huge difference, both in terms of productivity and mental well-being. So yeah, these are the things like you should keep in mind first, and you need to talk.
Yeah.
That's the important thing.
तो इंडिया में अगर में पीएचडी करना है तो उसके लिए कौन कौन से नेशनल लेवल एग्जाम्स आपके क्वालिफाइड होने चाहिए?
एक ही एग्जाम, वन ऑफ, देर आर सो मेनी एग्जाम्स दैट यू कैन क्वालिफाई, उसमें से एटलीस्ट वन इज इनफ. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपके पास गेट है, गेट स्कोर अच्छा है, तो यू आर गुड टू गो टू अप्लाई सी एस आई आर नेट, डी बी टी जे आर एफ, आई सी एम आर जे आर एफ, यही है. इसके अलावा आई डोंट थिंक इफ देर आर अदर स्कीम्स ऑल्सो, लाइक गोल्डन गर्ल स्कीम है, आई डी एस टी इंस्पायर है, ये सारी
विमेन के
चीज़ें भी
लिए
है.
वाइस
तो
फेलोशिप भी है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, ये सारे फेलोशिप है. मोस्टली पीपल गो फॉर गेट नेट एंड डीबीटी.
ओके अरसलान, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर टाइम, आपके वैल्यूएबल आंसर. आई होप कि पीएचडी एस्पायरेंट्स को जो भी आगे पीएचडी करना चाह रहा है उनको काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा होगा ये वीडियो उन सब के लिए. तो उनके लिए हम हेल्प करने के लिए एक और हम इनिशिएटिव ला रहे हैं, अरसलान एंड आई. तो हमने सोचा है कि क्यों ना वन ऑन वन इंटरव्यू प्रैक्टिस सेशंस किए जाएं. सो इसकी डिटेल मैं अपने अपकमिंग वीडियो में आपको अपडेट दे दूंगी कि किस तरीके से हम प्लान कर रहे हैं. So stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you so much, Arslan. See you guys signing off. Bye bye and take
थैंक
care.
यू प्रियंका, यू आर डूइंग एन अमेजिंग जॉब.
Thank you,
बाय
Arslan. Thank
एवरीवन.
you. You are doing great
थैंक
in
यू.
research. Good.
ओके.
Good. Keep going.
थैंक यू.
Bye bye.